Ahmed, you are watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about another website that's doing a large scale scam on the internet. And if you guys are closely following the channel from the past few weeks, I also had made a video about the scam that was going on recently. So guys, to know more about this, watch this video completely. Let's roll the intro. So alright guys, I have the website open here on the laptop, and if I can show you guys, I'll just start the recording so that I can sync it up later. So just wait for 3 more seconds. 3 2 1, yeah, and the recording is live there. So guys, basically this is a similar website, and I think it's from the same company. And the website that we reviewed last week was easyphones.com, and here similar website is here called mynotchphone.online. So this is another website, and the mobile names were starting with Krypton, I guess. Yeah, in the previous video the mobile phones were starting with the name Krypton, and they just had copied the similar structures of the mobile phones that different companies offered. Like for example, if there was Samsung Galaxy M30s, then they had Krypton M30s. So similarly, they had rebranded a lot of phones like Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Pro Max is available. Yeah. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is there, and over here what they have done is they have just changed the Krypton to Tipad. So Tipad M30s is here on the screen, as you can see. Notch for smartphone rupees 3,999. So guys, who will not get scammed when there are high quality specs for just under 5k? If you just keep the mark 5k, yeah, there are mobile phones for 4,500, there are mobile phones for 4,000 rupees, 4,300, 4,300, a lot of phones over here. If you guys can see, Tipad X2 Pro, just like Realme X2 Pro, Tipad X2 Pro, 128GB, 8GB RAM, dual SIM 4G for just 4,299. So guys, this is another similar fake website. So how can I say that it's fake? You guys can just go ahead and add a product and just check for the payment method. So if in case you are not asked to sign in or sign up, then it's fake. Then again, if you guys can sign in but then they're not asking you for giving you an option for cash on delivery or any other net banking or similar ways, they're just asking you to pay. They just need your money. So if you guys can, if I just opened Tipad S5 Pro 4GB 64GB 1-day sale. So over here they're not asking me to sign in or sign up as the other websites, the other shopping portals do. When you have to buy something, you need to sign up or sign in. So over here, if I click on buy now, let's see what are the options they give me. So another thing that you guys can check out in these fake websites is that you guys can fill details according to a little bit of if you guys know the input types available in HTML. So mobile number, it needs digits, but then they are asking for 10 digits. You guys can enter any 10 digits. So if you guys can see over here, I can enter 10 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this will trick the website. So in email, what are the essential criteria? You need a @ and a .com. Like if you have anything and you need a web address, so you can fill anything. Like I'll just show you Technoxity at YouTube. Okay, you guys might think youtube.com is a website, so let me not use YouTube. I'll use yt.com. So there is @ and .com in the field, so it will not check for an error. As you can see, that's done. So name, you need minimum of 5 characters, I guess. So let me just fill up anything and a space and another thing. So address, minimum 40 characters maybe. It just adds a text field in the HTML document. So if you guys know a little bit of programming, you guys can have a rough idea about it. So you can just fill in anything. I am just typing it randomly, so this might be done. So nearby, just fill in some letters. And pin code, yeah, 6 digits again, just numbers. Oh, I entered a lot of digits, so we need just 6. So it's showing me an error. So yeah, 6 digits and you're done. So again, area, give any digits like letters. Select state. Oh, it's only based on India. Like they know whom to scam and they have a specific location to scam people. So what to select here? Okay, let me select Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let's see if they can ship it there in this lockdown. So continue the payment method. Now comes the main point. They don't have any other way other than pay via debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI. you guys can place an order with net banking and you can get the product delivered. If you guys had seen the video when I made, and before that or after that, B-Bomb had released a video about this mobile phone. The mobile phone was actually shipped, but then it was some local mobile phone with just some like what do you say, cheap handset, guys, with maybe a earphone or no charger, that like he just compared it sarcastically, like having fast charging and all that. You guys can go ahead and check that video out. You guys can check out B-Bomb's YouTube channel. You guys, most of you guys might know that. So guys, be aware of such websites. Subscribe to the channel to get notified about all these scams when they come up on the internet. And that's it. Like this video, share it with your friends. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.